how to convert dollar to peso in PayPal. Here's what you want to do. Log into your PayPal account, then you will go into wallet. Now right here, if you don't have pesos added, we will add a currency. I just want to find the Philippine peso and you add a currency here. All right, so once you have added the currency here, if you want to convert it, you can use the currency calculator here. It's going to show you how much you can change from and to here. So you can basically just calculate it. But how this is going to work is you want to make your Filipino peso your primary currency. So you will click on make primary. And once you make this currency primary, once you click on transfer money here and transfer to your bank, this is going to withdraw the money and automatically convert it from whichever currency it is into Filipino pesos, as long as that is your bank's currency. So I hope this helps. Hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.